Bonjour and hello everybody, this is Deepti, Directrice Pédagogique of Here and Now the French Institute. I welcome you to another episode on learning French. And today's French lesson is Le Futur Proche. Le Futur Proche is referred to the immediate or the near future. Le Futur Proche is used when you're going to or about to do something. The formation of Futur Proche is subject followed by the present tense conjugation of the verb aller followed by the infinitive verb. Let's recall the present tense conjugation of the verb aller, which means to go. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils vont, they go. Elles vont, they go. Voila! Now we are all set to construct the future proche. All that we got to do is conjugate the verb aller in the present tense followed by the infinitive verb and add an object to complete the sentence. All we have to do now is to add the verb in the infinitive form after the verb aller. Voyons les exemples. Let's say you are feeling sleepy and you're going to sleep. How do you say that in French? It's simple. Je vais dormir. I have few more examples for you. Tu vas rentrer du bureau? Il va prendre son livre. Elle va partir en vacances. Nous allons venir à l'heure. Vous allez travailler jusqu'à minuit? Ils vont manger sans moi. Elles vont parler au professeur. And that's it for today's lesson on Le Futur Proche. I hope you understood and enjoyed learning it. For feedback, please comment at the bottom. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Here and Now the French Institute. Au revoir and happy learning French.